Yeah, it's here at last. Here comes Monster Hunter 4 Ultimate unboxing, or should I say unwrapping video. I'm super excited for this game, being a huge Monster Hunter fan, as you guys will know if you are already subscribed to my YouTube channel. Here it is. Here's the box. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. Don't forget to check out links in the video description. I will be streaming this a lot on Twitch. You can also see my streaming schedule over on my Twitch page as well, so you guys will know when I'm streaming. I'm super excited for this game. Let's open it up. Let's read some of the information on the back as well. So it says, explore a vast world, forge your own unique arsenal, become the ultimate hunter. Face over 120 monsters in furious combat and even strike from above. Gather materials and craft thousands of items to prepare for the hunt. Play cooperatively with fellow hunters locally or online. So remember this, guys, this game is fully online compatible over Wi-Fi, unlike the previous game. So it is totally awesome. And there inside we have the game cart. We have a booklet. Well, actually it's not a booklet, it's a card. But there we go. And that's about it. The usual manuals inside, so nothing spectacular. I just wanted to show you guys I am getting this game. I am going to be covering it extensively here on my channel, mainly multiplayer videos with commentary featuring fellow YouTubers and friends, so don't forget to stay tuned to my channel and also to my Twitch for some awesome Monster Hunter 4 Ultimate action.